In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your hood lift support on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's located on the side of the hood. You're going to need an assistant to hold up the hood, or you can use a hood prop. Don't trust the one piston on the other side to hold up the hood. It won't. Now we're going to use a pick. We're going to go get underneath this lip right here and pull out this like that. And now you can disconnect this from the bracket. Do the same on the other side. It's a little more difficult to get to. Again, use your pick, slide it in, and pull it off. Make sure you set it up the same way for the install. I'm going to start with my bottom one first. Just push it on. And then you can go on the top and do the same.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.